Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Monday the 7th of April. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the pound dollar first, and at the moment it still looks relatively bearish. It looks like the momentum's just switching over negative on the dailies. We've been continuing putting a series of lower highs in, lower lows, and it does really look, as I say, pretty bearish at the moment. Upside resistance would be Friday's high along with the weekly pivots. It's around about that sort of level as well, around about 166.03, somewhere in that region as the upside resistance. So downside support really looking well, obviously Friday's lows, but beyond that, and that possibly may come back in with this trend line that's been running there for some weeks. Aside of that, really we would be breaking those lows. We'd be running down to the monthly S1 pivot at 164, 164.88, somewhere in that region. There's not a lot of support down to that point, so I remain sort of it remains bearish in terms of what we're seeing here on the pound at the moment. Euro, similar case in terms of the bearishness. We have come into some support on the daily 100 moving average. We may get a bit more of a bounce off that, which could see us running again. That may see us just running off to the monthly pivot here and Friday's highs. So that's sort of key sort of levels that coincides with the daily 50 moving average as well. So if it does get any rally into those sort of areas, I'd be watching that carefully. So downside, if we break this 100 again there's little support. We may just catch the monthly R1, but beyond that there's very little in terms of support if we break Friday's lows. In fact, let's just bring the chart out very briefly, and if you can see it's just all chop beyond that point. So it really comes down to then the daily 200, and it could be a target area which this is running to at the 135.22 area. So that would make an ABC movement possibly down to that area. So that would be the next sort of key level of support. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now.